Good morning. My name is Diana Lee Chuma, and I'm a graduate assistant with the SESU Center of Educational and Assistive Technology. Thank you for participating in our educational tutorial series. In our previous video, we walked you through how to utilize the features of MindMup, which can be accessed as an app through the Google Drive of the SESU CEAT account that we provide you with. In this miniature tutorial, we will walk you through how to download the outline of a created MindMup, such as this one, in order to access the outline as a notes feature. So let's begin. You will see here that I have opened up a created page, MindMup's page, in the Google Drive of the SESU CEAT account that we provide you with. From here, I will scroll to the top right corner to File, select the drop-down menu, Download As, and select Outline. Select Export, and you will see that your outline will be prepared as an export. You will download it or select any option that you please. You could save it to your Google Drive. You could open it as is, or you could download it as I'm going to show you in this tutorial. And you will see that the downloaded outline becomes visible at the bottom part of your screen. You will select it, open it, and then you can view the outline or your MindMup page downloaded as an outline, which you can use it to continue taking notes. That is it for our miniature tutorial for today. Should you have any further questions or comments, please feel free to reach out to our office. Thank you.